Yes, welcome to the secondary audio test of the Akai X-1800SD. This is using again the built-in microphone, but this time I've turned off the fan. I'm directly in front of the mic, maybe 2 inches. I've got the levels actually set appropriately, not just what I did previously, which was put it at full and then go to the other side of the room, which I did as a test for the stereo separation and as a test for the recording capabilities for recording a room, because if you're using the stereo mics, for example, to record, let's use a modern day example, to record a podcast, it would you would want to record a room, not directly in front of your mic like I'm doing, but this does work perfectly fine. But yeah, this is 1 7/8 inches per second. I still think it sounds perfectly legible, but I think we must switch over to this is mono, by the way. I'm only plugging in one mic because, well, I'm just plugging in one mic. But let's go to 74 inches per second now. Okay, you should be getting a bit better audio reproduction. Should be quite a bit better. See, the thing is, there's not much I can really say to do an audio test. This is 304 inches per second. I'm using the mics that came with the device. I'm directly in front of the mic this time, not quite far away. That's about it. They changed the tracks on A-track. But yeah, I guess let's go to 7.5 inches per second now. So let's go. We are recording at 7.5 inches per second. This should sound, it shouldn't sound significantly better than the previous, what's it called, piece that I've spoken to you, but it should sound at least slightly better. So you should be able to hear the difference between 74 and 1 7/8. But again, it's up to your ears. It's not necessarily a thing that everyone can hear. But anyway, let us go to 15 inches per second now, because let's just go there. Okay, so we are now recording at 15 inches per second. As I said about the 7.5 inches per second, it shouldn't sound an incredible amount better than previous speed. It should sound slightly better, but not an incredible amount. Now, as I did last time, I am monitoring my voice as I say all of this. But what I would like to say is, if there is any audio clipping at all, also may be down to the when I say recording, um, the computer recording. If so, also it may be down to your speakers or headphones, so keep that in mind. But I don't think this sounds too poor. So I'm going to hit stop now, and then I'm going to listen to this back. So I'm gonna say goodbye. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you, well, I should keep this within my normal answer. So as we in the business say, you must stay safe, stay home, and stay healthy for